Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your voice lower in your videos using the CapCut app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the CapCut app, then go to first import your videos that you want to change. Then go to the video and tap on it or on the voice file. It depends on what are you trying to change. And then go to voice effects, which is here in the middle of the screen. And the voice effects section, you can find all these different voice effects that you can apply. Now, first I want to show you the original sound. This is voice test number 1. This is my voice, 1, 2, 3, 4. And how it sounds after we apply the low effect. So this is how it sounds.
This is voice test number 1. This is my voice, 1, 2, 3, 4.
So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.